Hello friends, I'm doing good. Today I'll show you how to block your unknown spamming number. So how you can do it. Sometime many spamming number call to you, but you feel boring, and then you want to block. And so how you can do it? So if you want to block spamming number, then you should just go to the settings options. Then you can just type LENC silence unknown caller. All right. Here in showing the silence unknown caller. This is the currently off. So if you want to just like on, then you can tap here. Then you can just check enable the switch. Then if you got any spamming and unknown caller, then it will be automatic block. You can get no notification from this caller. And also you want to you can just if you want to like specific number, then you can just block this number. If someone just scamming to you and spamming, then you can just specific this number you can block. I think you know how you can block. Also, if you don't know how you can block, then you can just look at my channel. I have another video how you can block any other person.